Hello guys, this video is about type function. What is a type function? Let's see with creating a new file here. Okay, I'll create a new file like my file .py. So I have created a new file. I'll assign some values to data types. So I'm giving the first as a string, and the next one as an integer, and the next one is a boolean, and the next one is what else? String, integer, boolean, and we have float, right? Yeah, 3-point float, in the sense it is a decimal values. That's it. Okay. So I would like to know what are the type of specified object. What is the type of this specified object? I would like to know that. So I will print type of. I would like to know the first variable a. What is the type of it? So type of a, and next print. I would like to know that b1 also, and next c, next. Oh, there is an error here. It's type d. Okay. If we save it and run, we'll get types of each and every variables there, variable values. Okay, the first one is a string, so it is giving us class str. So next one is an integer, so is class int. So next one is true, which means it's a boolean. And the third and the last one is a decimal type, which is a float. So this is how you can check each and every type of an specified object. What is the type? What will it return when we give a type here? Thanks for watching.